क्या कर दिया? Hey everyone, it's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. I am bored, genuinely bored, and the main reason for my boredom is my disgusting looking hair. My hair is so bad. All this hair and no styling at all. This is harassment at this point, and it's been quite a while that I have been bored with how I look and my hair and everything. I really don't want to get a haircut at the salon because they're just gonna shorten my hair. I just know that even if I tell them to not do it, they will do it. So goodbye. So as always, I take the matters in my own hand and I am going to cut my hair. No. So bangs. Bangs is something I've had since I was a child, and 99% of the time I have cut my bangs myself. You would think that after so many years of practice, like since I was 13 until now, like so many years of practice of cutting my hair again and again every year, I would have learned something. But you will be wrong. I have not learned a single thing about it. I still get so nervous when I am cutting my bangs, but we're gonna do it anyway. So if you are thinking about cutting your bangs, this is the sign that you should do it. I'm not doing it alone, okay? If I'm ruining my life,
I want everyone's life to be ruined.
I absolutely hate how my hair looks. I have to keep it like this. My big forehead just keeps on shining and it's just not a good style. I don't know, it's very boring for my face at least. So let's get right into it. Okay, cool. So I have watched a lot of Brad Mondo tutorials. Honestly speaking, they didn't really help me because he was doing it on a mannequin and I couldn't really, grasp what he was doing. And I watched a few more tutorials of other girls, but honestly speaking, I don't know what I'm doing. The first thing I'm gonna do is put all my hair in front like that. How am I supposed to do anything if I can't see? I assume this is the center. So here is where I want to create that triangle. Cool. Okay. This is not even. Okay, God, I hope this is even. So this is the area we are gonna work with, so rest of it just goes in one or something. Okay, so I have come to a conclusion that this is it. This is the part that we are gonna work with. These are the scissors I'm gonna use. These are craft scissors. I don't have professional scissors. Okay, sorry. First, I'm gonna work with the center bangs that are already there. I really want like cute bangs, not shitty wispy bangs. Okay, so we are gonna start here. This is what I'm gonna cut in the center. I don't have a mirror here. This is my mirror, and if anything goes wrong, you guys will have to see it. Enough of chit chat. First, I'm just gonna cut it till my nose. I kind of hate this. Now from here we go shorter. Let me do the curtain bang thing from Brad Mondo. This is the center part. Okay, he takes opposite, then just cuts them. Just pinched my finger. Almost. Wow. This technique was really good. I'm gonna do it again. My parting is so shitty. मुझे खुद पता नहीं चलता कि क्या हो रहा है मेरी part के साथ, क्योंकि it's not even in the center, it's not in the side also, it's like literally here, so off center. So I think I'm gonna go chota so that I don't do a disaster. This is going amazing, superb. Let me check if they are even. Absolutely not. Texture. And I still do not like them. Okay, we'll see. Tab tak I will do these. So you know the drill. That's a lot of hair. That's a lot of. Always anxious to do the other side because can't twist. This seems like a lot less hair than on this side. Yeah. Ew, David. No, this is bad. I can never do my right side. I'm just gonna do more trims without describing it to you guys. kya kar diya? I have cut them really short. It's my fault. I am going to fix it. I don't like it. Like ये मैंने क्या कर दिया type. Let's fix it again. This is it. I'm not gonna go any further. I'm just gonna have to suck it. This is the bangs. So this is what I did. Okay, let me go and style it in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's not that bad, methinks. I think I will get some time to get used to it. Right now, I think it's 8 out of 10. Probably 7 out of 10. But if I really hate it, the thing about this is that I can hide it. Literally hide it and like make it look like curtain bangs or something. Like it's not that bothersome to me. If I want bangs, they're right here. And as a community, we are going to avoid what I did with these here. No idea. I'm just gonna have to let them grow out. Until then, I'm just gonna conceal them in my longer hair and we will never talk about them ever again. Yeah, it's not that bad. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see like more videos. I am signing off. Take care and see you soon. Bye.